Alright, hey guys, and welcome to another Enchanted Mail number 12, which is so epic. So, I got 31 gifts, so, I know it says 38, but I have some geograms here from popular people, which I keep. Most of them were my buddy, but, yeah, anyway. Let's start. Matt. No, thank you. Sorry, but I do not need that, and plus some stores. So, leg armor. Oh, I guess I'll keep those for gems. Thank you. Cool, look. Good luck. You know what I means. Yeah, I do. Lucky clover. Oh. Oh. Good luck. I get it. Lay. Thank you. Hear and enjoy. Chilling out. Okay, I guess I'll keep that. I just need to recycle my other one. Now I need to go put that back in my den, so 1 second. Okay, so I put it back in my snowfort den, and I decided to just turn on my sound, so yeah. Amazon rocks. Large cactus. Thank you. Amazon rocks from snowball 1712. Sorry, I did not need that. No problem. From teacup. Okay, I guess I'll keep that. There's 15 gems worth. Okay, this go fire pot. Thank you. Some people think they're beta, but they're stores. No, there's no in stores. I don't know what you mean by that, but hey, that's my name. Yay! Ice share, thank you. Oh yeah, this girl came up to me and said that she sent me an ice share. Okay, so 900 marks from Water Park 97819. Thank you. I'll put that on my plushie account because there's like a bunch of tables. And my plushie account. Animal Jam rocks. Feast table. Thank you. The wolves one. Sorry if I don't reply to you guys. Thanks for the food. You can have this teacup. Wait. Yeah, teacup. Sorry, my dad's computer isn't doing very well. Amateur rocks, teacup. That's a coincidence, I just got one. I mean, I just sent one away. Amateur rocks from Daredevil. Oh, Daredevil 64 80. Oh, sorry, I just can't say that. But thank you. Let's be buddies. Beach ball. Sorry. I can't be your buddy. I just don't add random people unless they're my fans. I only add my fans. Ender rocks? Sorry, but I do not need that. Okay, I'll get that. If I got a non-member sword or a spike in my mail, I would totally freak out. I'm not telling you guys to like send me a spike or anything. Oh. Okay. Blah. Okay, how are we getting orange string? Okay, I'm just gonna shut up. You are amazing, buddy. Scary balloons. Thank you, Hannah. I'll put this on my storage account. Guys, when I put things on my storage account, it means I like them, but can't keep them on this account. This account is basically just for rares and stuff because it's my main account and my member account. So, I want your mocks. I'll send something back to Hannah. She sent me 2 gifts. So, ooh, no. No. Sorry, horse Roy. Another one. Sorry, but I do not need that. Okay, I guess I'll keep that. Sorry, no, I want to just like a wolf tie. I just don't know what to say. And I will make a video about my schedule if I said that before. I know, so many knots. Okay, here you go, BFF. You're awesome. I hope you fly to news. I hope you fly to New High. I thought it was Sky High. Yeah. Thank you. You can have that back. Let's hope nobody's here. And then I'm not talking to them. It'll seem like I'm ignoring them. I know I've probably said this before, but if you see me in my den or anywhere and I don't talk to you, I'm either on BRB, editing a video, or I am doing Enchanted Mail, so. Did you bite the... I don't know what this would mean, but I do know what that would mean. So, beanbag toss. Thank you. LPS Jiren Rocks. Here I am going to your den. You can't go to my den. You are so cool. From Cool Jam, dude. Thank you. Silver ones are still in stores, are they? I'm gonna check just in case. Okay, silver ones are still in store. Random checking trade. Blah. Okay, so. Freedom hat. Thank you. I knew somebody was going to do that. Thank you so much. Summer is great. From gold, 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 gold. Sorry. You were really nice. Last one. Butterfly plushie. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Fashions. Thank you so much. So, yeah, that was like, when did you say hi? Oh. Hi, ending video, say. Oh. Say bye. Alright, so anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't remember to send for Enchanted Mail. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.